so busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her, look.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Mod, man. Back with another video. Alright, man, we coming at y'all with a different video today, man. Today we gonna be doing a little installation video, bro. You see I got my boy Trey with me, and you know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's up with y'all?
Hell yeah. So you know what I'm saying? We just gonna be doing an installation video right here on my boy down 2017 Charger RT. We're gonna be installing a cold air intake on there, you know what I'm saying? Give him a little bit more power, a little bit more speed, you know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned with the video, man. Alright, y'all, man. Y'all see my boy 2017 Charger, man. About to be putting the finishing touches on this shit, man. I call this shit Kratos, though. Shit like the God of War. Word though. So yeah, man. All right, bro. So how we about to get in this today, man? This the air box right here. This the cold air intake. What we about to replace with this right here. Air aid. Hell yeah. I ain't got the filter in it right now. I got to grab that bitch out the crib, but you know what I'm saying? We just going down. Take these 3 bolts off right here. Unscrew this. Take that out right there. Unloosen that hose. Then the box should come out. And then rest just take all this off. This shit really like a 30-minute, 20-minute process, man. So, man, shit, y'all just stay tuned, bro. All right, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Taking it off, man. That's it, the box out. All right, y'all, man. All right, y'all can see, man, I done got the stock filter out. You know what I'm saying? I got the box out and I got the hose out. You know, I had to take the air sensor, so now we about to get ready to put the air aid shit in. You know what I'm saying? Look at that, man. Like, come on. Like, look at the fucking difference. Which one would you want in your car? You want this piece of shit? Shit look like blinds. Or you want this shit? The Black Hawk. That shit out of here. You going with this? Y'all can see, bro, we now got the stock one out, like I said before. So now we about to go ahead and start putting the down aftermarket air raid one in, man. So it's just simple, bro. This shit gonna take me like 10 minutes. You just plug and play. All right, YouTube, man, as you see, man, we completed with the installation on the Charger, man. Like I said, man, it's an easy thing to do, bro. About 20 to 30 minutes of work, man. Like I said, bro. So I'm gonna just show y'all some clips of the after effect. And man, shit, just stay tuned, man. So yeah, man, just stay tuned, man. Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all some pulls of how the cold air intake sound, the new cold air intake sound on the car. So we're gonna do some pulls and, you know what I'm saying, just letting y'all hear the difference in the performance and all that. All right, you can hit it, Trey. Yeah. charge on that bitch, man. Yeah, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. Y'all see what the fuck going on, man. Tap in with your boy, man. Shit, we do it all, bro. You feel me? Mechanics, doctors, all that shit. Shit, side niggas, we all that shit.
I ain't with it.
You already know, man. Tap in, bro. We gonna do a little bit of couple pulls and shit. See if it got a little bit quicker and shit, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, my guy. Yeah. I hear that shit. I hear that shit, sir. Yeah, you already know what's going on. You already know what's going on, man. You see the vibes, man. We and my boy shit, man. We about to test out this shit. See if the shit picked up any more speed. See if we notice anything different. You know what I'm saying? Just about to cruise around the city real quick. Let y'all know what's going on. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I see the real hold up. You about to see that shit in a minute?
Yeah, the nigga on the bike.
Oh yeah. This nigga on the bike, man. Hold the traffic up, man. Get a moped. Man, what's up, my nigga? Dude, it'll burn that shit. Fuck wrong with that nigga. Hey, we going on no smoke.
Baby scat right here.
On me. Leave that down, winking a hearse, whatever that shit was. Yeah. Sounded like word, bro. I seen that shit laughing. I hear that downshift action, man. Playing with them shit. Really playing with them gears, man. So what you think of that shit so far, my boy?
Hey, invest in one, everybody.
I'm telling you,
Take
man.
that stock shit off.
I'm telling you, it's no good, bro.
At all.
For real, gotta add miles to your shit, man. Shit. And we coming through downtown making that noise. All with it, man, making all that noise, man. That'll be alright. You better than South State, bro. That credit union, yeah, that shit is good. I'm trying to get me a down credit union, like, cause they benefits be kind of more better. Like, you can easily get loans. You don't gotta have all that qualifications, and they try to help you out. Oh, that nigga I used to work with at the Q. No, at the Q.
Yeah, that truck right there.
Yeah, Ford right there.
Oh, I put that.
That nigga named David. I ain't about to call that nigga name. Fuck I look like. Hey, man. You hear that shit, David? man, Tay shit, hell, he like, shit, hell, I'm about to get a haircut. I looked at this nigga like, oh yeah? A word. I said, like, nigga, a haircut? What you about, 7? Bitch. I mean, that's about the only niggas who have them shits, but why? Just go get a fucking Honda Accord.
So you want power too?
Word, oh God, I ain't gonna knock his ass, dude. Nigga trying to get some pussy. Bleep that out. Oh, this is shit Brad stole that shit from me.
That's where they got that shit from.
Damn. Alright, man, your boy Joe Dirt, boy, about to get my dirt, you know what I'm saying? About to get behind the wheels, man. So shit, just stay tuned. I'm gonna let my boy record a little bit while I fuck with these gears for it. Telling you, boy. I know the fuck going on with you, my first love. What you talking about, man? For real. Yeah, boy.
living like this, they supposed to hate.